So where would you recommend that medical writers go to learn about compliance and the ABPI?
I mean, it's a tough one, really. I think, certainly we see a whole spectrum of medical writers who are on their learning journey. And some of them are very young and they could be graduates learning. And some of them could have worked in a number of industries or a number of agencies, but they're starting off working for pharma clients or working in-house in pharma. And of course, a lot of them may think that the starting point is actually going to the book itself. That would never be my recommendation. It wouldn't be my recommendation to anyone working with the code that you'd sit in some horrible dark room one day, trying to read it all and hope that some of it goes in. The best way to learn about how the code affects you is absolutely on the job. So we're very lucky in the UK that when there's a complaint made about a pharmaceutical company that might have breached the code, all those case rulings are published on the PMCPA website. And it's quite nice then for when we're training people like new medical writers to say, well, what campaign are you working on? Well, I'm working on a patient campaign. What would you consider that might be categorized as? Well, we're going to call it patient literature or patient support. Then I would say go and find a case ruling that relates to patient support. And in there, you will find what the PMCPA panel say is good and bad about such programs. And then the last place after you've read the ruling is to link back to the code. So it's not the starting place, it's more like an ending place just to cement the practical everyday knowledge that you've gained from reading a case. So that would be my strong advice.